60. 0 seconds.
Okay. How many seconds is 1.66666666666666666666 hours?
7 hours is equivalent to about 6,000 seconds.
6,000 seconds again? Okay. Siri, what is 111111111111111?
The answer is approximately 1. 1 times 10 to the 9.
10 to the 9? What is 10 to the 9? What is 10 to the 9?
10 raised to the 9th power is 1 billion.
10 raised to the 9th power is 1 billion?
I found this on the web.
Huh? Power of 10. I cannot read it. Siri, what is...
I found this on the web.
What? Oh, no. Siri, how many seconds is 100 million hours?
It's 360 billion seconds.
360.
Is it correct?
Yes.
How can you know?
Because of the number of zeros on 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 hours.